was a record-setting day for Wright State women's basketball on Education Day as elementary schools from all across the Miami Valley showed up and showed out to watch the Raiders take on Bowling Green. Listen to that. It marked the largest crowd ever for a women's game at the Nutter Center. 7,574 screaming kids in attendance. Picked things up in the second half. Off the missed shot, Layne Ferrell grabs the offensive board and goes up strong for the bucket. Raiders, though, would trail by 14. They try and get some momentum going in the third. Micaiah Miller dishes out to Ferrell, and she'll bury the three. That got the kids fired up. Then here's Rachel Loobie driving the lane and finishing strong at the rim. Count it, plus the foul. Wright State trying to dig themselves out of a hole. Later, it's Miller finding a wide open Kara Van Kempen. And at the top of the key, nothing but three. Despite all the energy today, though, the Falcons were just a little bit too much to handle. Raiders dropped their first home game of the season, falling to Bowling Green 69-48. Great to have a record-setting crowd on hand. Just too bad they didn't get to see a Wright State victory.
It was an unbelievable atmosphere out there. Thank you for all the kids that were cheering for us. They did their part. It was a bad day to shoot bad, and I think our players could hear them, could feed off their energy. It was a fun environment, and a record-breaking crowd is really cool to play in front of.